Hello everyone, welcome back to Krishna's lectures. We shall now study about Ramdeo Mishra. Ramdeo Mishra is popularly called as the father of ecology. Okay, he is a botanist. He formulated the PG course for botanist, and this is not so important. He has got fellowship of Indian National Science Academy, and this is also not so important. Basically, what is important is four topics he has taken and he has done research on it, and those things we are going to try to understand now. Okay, what is this nutrient cycling? Nutrient cycling means we have carbon is there in the environment. Nobody can synthesize carbon. Okay, you have carbon as carbohydrates, as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, organic, in organic chemistry, if you see all those, whatever you see, methane, ethane, all those alkenes, alkynes, everything they have carbon. Even aldehydes, ketones, they have carbon in them. But what is the thing that we have to understand, that carbon is recycled in the environment. You have carbon dioxide that is taken up by the plants, and carbohydrates are formed. Carbohydrates we eat, and let's say that my body is taken up and thrown into the sea. After many years, petroleum is formed. It is a hydrocarbon. It is an organic compound. So carbon is recycled, but again, when I say burn petrol, I have carbon dioxide being released. So it is a cycle. Carbon is just there in different forms. So the same way, nutrients are those which are not synthesized but are just there in the environment. So how is it cycled from one form to another is what is called as nutrient cycling. We have many cycles like carbon cycle. I just gave you the example of carbon cycling. Grassland ecosystem, when you know the definition and all those things, to explain it takes time. Basically, ecosystem means, you can just say, ecology is the study of the interaction that happens between abiotic and biotic factors. Okay, whatever the interaction happens between these two, it can be interaction between two biotic factors, or between two abiotic factors, or it can be between abiotic and biotic. So this is called as the study of this is called as ecology. Ecosystem means, we have ecosystem, we have biome. Anyways, when we do the chapter, you will be able to understand it better. Basically, grassland ecosystem means how the organisms living in grassland interact with each other, how they interact with abiotic factors in grassland. Study of this is called as grassland ecosystem. This is the simplest way I can put it across. Then, environmental responses of plant population and productivity. If you see protists, if you read the classification, we have chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, protozoans. That's how the classification goes. These chrysophytes are called as the chief producers in the aquatic body. So, what is the meaning of producers? What is productivity? What is population? Again, we are going to study all of those in ecology. And the last but not the least is understanding tropical communities and their succession. We have primary succession, secondary succession. Imagine that there is a plant. Okay, there is a plant here. This plant, to grow in an aquatic environment where there has been no living organism, it is very difficult. That is called as primary succession. It takes lot of time. But imagine there is a forest where all the living organisms were present, and there was a forest fire that caught, and the whole forest got burnt down to ashes. Now again, if a plant has to be grown there, it would be much easier. That is called a secondary succession. So he studied this succession in the tropics, that is in the tropical communities. In the tropical region, he studied the communities and their succession. This is what is the meaning of it. Okay, all these 4 points I have explained in brief. If you are not understanding it, or if you find it very difficult to understand, it's okay, you can just mug it up now. When you watch the videos that we have made on ecology, you will study all of these things in detail, and then when you come back, it would be much easier to understand. So whatever the research Ramdeo Mishra did, it is all on ecology. May it be understanding the succession of the communities in the tropical region, or may it be nutrient cycling, grassland ecosystem, or studying the environmental responses of plant productivity and their population. It is all something to do with ecology. And that's all. Thank you.